Hey, welcome back. Holy Lord. So I'm probably a little delirious right now. I'm sweating. Not to the oldies. Maybe I am to the oldies. Oh, hell. Anyway, I'm just sweating. And let me try to... I got this camera back on, hoping the thing doesn't overheat before I'm done talking, because I talk a lot. I don't know what the deal is. I read a little bit about them overheating. I don't know what the problem is. Hey, also, I got a fan in the background right there. I hope it's not going to be too noisy. It kind of was horrible in my other video, but I have it turned down so it's not so loud now. Anyway, I just want to show y'all a trick. I know a lot of y'all probably know about this, you professional folks out there, but this is for the maybe the one who's not going to be so, just got to fix a hole or something, you know? Anyway, this hole over here, that one right there, that's in the ceiling. That's where the roto zip thing got away from me. It happens sometimes. It doesn't like turning. It rotates in one direction. So when you start spinning around something, it just whew, takes off. So anyway, hopefully, let's go upside down. All right, I think you can see that. So what I'm gonna do, I saved the whole piece that came out of there. I've saved it the past few weeks. And I cut the piece out that I need from it, and it fits in there pretty good, but I have to fix it in there. So I got a little stir stick, and you end up putting this in like that and like that. All right, give it a little bracing. Okay. Hope this works. It does. I promise. So anyway, I am going to put the screw in, not too close. Sorry for the sweaty pits. It's hot. Bam, there's one side. Depending on the wood you use, it might split. So you have to be careful which wood that you use. I can't tell you what splits and what doesn't split. Bam! Alright, so that's in there. That piece is good. And that allows me some backing to hold this. Oh! Ah. Alright. Now, take this piece, put it back in there. See, it covers it up pretty good. I'm going to shoot a screw in it. Bam! That repair is done. Well, almost. Now I mud it up. But the cool thing is, it closed the gap up. I have a little gap in there still, but I'll get it. A little mud. So that's that. Hope y'all like that. That's an unprofessional tip of the day. There you go. Yeah, those are big gaps still, but I'll get them closed up. Okay, now I finished all of the sheetrock. 100% of the sheetrock, I'm done, okay? So, I got the door casing-ish area done. I have to put on the bull nose. I'll do that later. I do that with the mud. Look, I got it all done. This is done. I don't know why. It was a mental thing. I just couldn't do this room. So these are the two pieces I had to take off earlier. And I put the board in between here because the edges were floppy and that was stupid and lazy of me. So I went back and fixed it. But I had a little hiccup down here. I measured everything out and still these would have worked, but the fact that they're pointed upward, it just wasn't wanting to go in the sheetrock. And this went in good, but it's this joint, this fitting part, that kind of busted that out. But my measurements were fine. It's just, I had to make these holes a little bigger, but you know what? I could fix it. Nothing like a little mud to cover up the mistakes, you know what I mean? Because I'm not a professional, like I say. Yeah, see, roto zip. And this one's all done. I had to finish in here. I got this window casing done, all done, beautiful. So now it's time to start mudding this place. So I'm gonna start in here. I have the quick 45-minute stuff It dries in 45 minutes, so I'm gonna work with that. But look, I got, these edges are horrible. There's at least, oh hell, it flexes. There's at least about 1/8 of an inch or so there. I promise I have some wood back there somewhere. Anyway, and then I have gaps and stuff. So I got a lot of filling to do, and that's why I'm using the faster set 45-minute stuff versus the big green bucket or whatever. That big green bucket will shrink down and it takes forever to dry. Now, being that I never have any time out here, I don't think I'll have enough time to do the second pass. I'm hoping I can at least, it's 5:30 in the evening right now. I still have 3 hours before the sun goes down. So I have time and I have lights. So I really, really, really want, between today and tomorrow, want to finish at least round 1. If I can hit round 2, oh my gosh, that would be awesome. But I would like to get round 1. And there's just a lot of unevenness here that I have to fix. So, and gaps. See, there's gaps in here, but this is gonna have the corner edge on it. So look, RotoZip worked right there. You can see, man, it's just one of these little pieces on the RotoZip. I don't know what it is. Coming around the corner, it just boom, takes off. I don't know what the heck the problem is. Maybe it's because I'm not a professional. So anyway, I'm gonna go make me some more Gatorade. I'm thirsty, and it's hot out here. And I'm gonna go check on Millie.